Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to set up two-factor authentication on X, you've come to the right place. So to do it is really simple. Just open your X account, and here you need to go to settings. So open this, open settings and privacy, and here you need to find your account, and here we need to find account notifications. Make sure that is everything fine here. Once you've done that, go to privacy and safety, and here we need to find security and account access. Once you've done that, go to security, and here you can see two-factor authentication. Click on it, and here you can choose which type of two-factor authentications you want to turned on. So for example, if you want to use Google Authenticator, use Authentication app. If you want to use a text message, use a text message and also a security key. So if I want to turn on Authentication app, I need to turn it on, and here I need to write a password. Once I write a password, I need to choose application for two-factor authentication, and after that just follow the steps on your application. So that's all. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.